I'll show you how to attach a double-sided heatsink directly to your SSD M2. Once you attach the heatsink, you can still put it in the computer, or for myself, I'm going to end up putting this into my PS5 or PS5 Pro. So with this heatsink here, everything came separate. Okay, so you get the 4 little screws, you have a little Phillips head screwdriver, you had some wipies, dry and wet, and you have the bottom plate here and the heatsink here, and you have 2 pads here. Okay, so the first thing is we want to grab this one here. Now sometimes when you buy these, they already have a little like thermal adhesive here, and you can just peel that off, but in my case it's all separate. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to use this first, and what I want to do is put one of these into there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this one on top of there. Okay, so this one here, now if I look at both, I notice that this one here is a little bit thicker than this one. Okay, so this one here is going to be the bottom side here, so I'm going to put that just like that, peel both sides, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop this on there, and then I have to put this one on top of here as well, or I can just pop this one on top of here just like this, and then set everything down. Okay, and then once everything goes down like that, then you go ahead and grab that, make sure that little groove right there matches up there, and you put that in, and then we're going to put the screws in. So let's go ahead and take this apart again. So the first one is the thick one. We're going to put it into here. So let me go ahead and peel this here. So again, this is the thicker one. Okay, so you got both sides here. Let me go ahead and pull this out. I'm going to put it on there. Okay, I could just put it on down here, but I think it's easier if we just go like this. So let me go ahead and kind of line that up. Okay, so I got this thermal pad in here, but you can see it's a little bit longer. I can cut that, but it's perfectly fine like that. Okay, so we're going to leave it just like that. Now we're going to grab this now. Okay, now here's the back and here's the front. Now if you want, you can go ahead and use a wet wipe and dry it on both sides. Also on this SSD, I have a sticker on here. I'm going to leave this on here. I'm not going to take this off. Okay, so now you have that little notch on here. Okay, again, this is the bottom, this is the top. So the bottom is down here. We're going to go ahead and place this and just make sure that little notch is sticking out a little bit. Okay, there you go. That's good like that. So I got that, and you got this side here. Okay, it's pretty exposed. Let me put that down. Now this thinner one here. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take the adhesive on both sides, and now I can place it on top of there, or I can just place it on here and then put that down. Okay, so I'm taking both sides over here, and I think it's easier. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the top here, on top of the SSD. Okay, so let me go ahead and kind of line this up. Okay, there you go. Now flip it over, you can see the notches still there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and place this top one. Now make sure you have that one notch right there, so we got to make sure you match that side up. And I'm just going to go ahead and press down, and there you go. That's how it should look now. Okay, now we have 4 screws here, these little things here, and you have the Phillips head. So got these little tiny screws here. And there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and install this into my PS5. If you want to know how to install this in the PS5 or PS5 Pro, look in the description area.